Guys, Tesla has been making some serious moves the past couple of days, and I'm excited because I called those moves. I foresaw them coming, and I wasn't sure when it was going to come, but I was glad to see that it actually came shortly after I uploaded the video or after I called it. Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. If you're new, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. And if you've recently subscribed, a big thank you and welcome to the family. Alright, let's get into today's video. Usually my uploads are Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday being the Tesla upload. But seeing Tesla's moves on the Tuesday and the Wednesday, I just had to jump on and talk about it because I'm really excited. I've got options contracts and I own stocks in Tesla, so I'm excited to see that actual move. So part of the reason why I called it and I saw that move coming, a big move coming, I wasn't sure exactly when, I just knew a big move was bound to happen, within this month. I could see the subtle footprint that banks, institutions, etc. were leaving in the market, through accumulation. I can literally see or predict that they were accumulating the positions. As I've mentioned in previous videos, and it's one of the fundamental aspects of my trading strategy, is that there's accumulation in the market. Banks, hedge fund owners, etc., big institutions, they can buy huge positions all in one go. So they have to accumulate the position gradually. Alright, and then you can see this happening in the market. And this usually means that there's a huge momentum, that's going to be behind the move, the subsequent move, whether it's up or down. As they were buying into the market, the move was bound to be bullish. Alright. Another reason I saw this big move happening was there was an ascending triangle, and this ascending triangle was getting tighter and tighter, towards the tip of the triangle. Alright. So usually at that point, like a spring, there's a lot of force and energy being built up, and once this energy is released, i.e. the break in the resistance of the ascending triangle, there's bound to be a huge move that follows because there's nothing to stop the bulls. If it's a breakout, there's nothing to stop the bulls continuing driving the price because there's a lot of demand. So this pretty much happened, I believe on the Tuesday trading session. Okay, it gapped up and it gapped higher than that resistance, i.e. broke that resistance, although there was a close to the resistance. Okay, that usually indicates that the resistance is broken, so it's time to watch to see if that's a false break or if that's a true break. Alright, and Wednesday's session confirmed that that's a true break, because after that the price soared to 490 and closing at 486. And lastly, the thing that I thought might actually happened. That's Tesla joining the S&P 500. Finally, Tesla is part of the S&P 500. And partly why I thought that was happening was the move and the growth that Tesla has seen in the past year. In fact, this year alone, the whole growth Tesla has been seeing, from effectively like $100 all the way up to $490, and to my pleasant surprise that the news announcement came out that they've been included in the S&P 500. And once I saw that news, I knew there was bound to be a huge move. There was bound to be a lot of buyers buying up the stock, institutions buying up the stock, etc. And also one thing that I just remembered as I'm doing this video, I mentioned in the previous video, my previous Tesla video, is that I saw the banks were changing their stance on Tesla from neutral to buy strong. This indicated that banks like Deutsche Bank, Morgan Stanley, they're pretty much changing their stance on Tesla to buying, which shows that there's going to be a lot of demand. And that's partly why I foresaw, or I was able to quickly see and identify the accumulation that was going on and taking place in the market as it was taking place. One of the things that stood out for me was the way Tesla stock was dropping. Despite having a good earnings announcement, the stock price was still falling. While everyone else is panicking and saying, oh, you know what, that's the end of Tesla's bullish run, that's the end of Tesla's rally, you know, and getting out of the market because they're panicking, they're seeing reds, they're seeing the price drop, etc. I saw that as an opportunity to be buying lower, or the way I do it is I buy options contracts. You know, it's much cheaper, and later on I can exercise to get the stocks, you know, if I'm right. Alright guys, I just had to jump on this video, you know, like I just had to do one. I'm really excited, I'm buzzing, you know, because I'm definitely going to exercise those options contracts, the call option contracts that I have, you know, so that way I own more stocks. So if you enjoyed this video and you like to see more, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, okay? And if you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads, you know, because a lot of the times I predict big moves that are coming, you know, for different stocks like NIO, Tesla. I'm not limited to NIO, Tesla. If there's any stocks you like and you want to know if it's a good time to get in the market or not, you know, comment. You know, I'm more than happy to reply to your comment, you know, and if it's a good stock you're following, then I might even get involved myself, you know. So definitely comment. And if you recently subscribed, a big thank you for subscribing again, and welcome to the family. Alright guys, thanks a lot. I'll see you in my next video.